and welcome to All Hands on Deck, Building Open Hands. I'm Pan, your host for today, and I'm here together with Henry, who will guide us through the Open Hands tool in this Cardi Foundation livestream. Thank you everyone for joining us today. This session is gonna be fun, interactive, and hands on. Over the next hour, we'll explore how AI and blockchain come together to speed up smart contract development, build real world decentralized applications, and even create user friendly interfaces that make Web3 more approachable for everyone. Whether you're new in blockchains or already experimenting with AI tools, stick with us and you'll discover new approaches and tools that could even help your future projects or business. So let's get started. Henry, could you please begin by telling us what is OpenHand and how does it support us in coding?
Sure. So, hello everyone. I'm Henry. I'm currently developer relation at Coty Foundation, and today I so happy to share with you Open Hands. Can you show me the screen, Pen?
A screen?
Yeah,
Sure.
I just shared the screen, so you need to put it on.
How to do it? You mean have you shared a screen yet?
Yeah, I share the screen, so you need to put it on the screen. I think
Uh,
there will be a button, like the icon next to the screen.
can you press it again? Like I'm going to press it.
I cannot. So
Oh,
you have to
really?
push. Yeah.
Uh, share the screen, right? No, not mine, right? Oh, I guess. Wait a minute, Henry.
Okay. Okay.
Is it helps or not? Like, oh my
Do you see the
gosh.
screen I share?
No, no, no. I didn't see anything at all.
Uh, Let me share again.
Sure.
Entire screen. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sure. Again. Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Yep.
And so, what is OpenHand? OpenHand is an open source software development agent that can help
Yep.
you with many of the tasks that human developer can do. It
Mm-hmm.
can modify code, it can run command, it can browse the
Sure.
web, Go API, and yes, even copy code snippet from Stack Overflow. So
Yep.
this is open the website of OpenHand is
Mm-hmm.
openhand.dev. I will
Mm-hmm.
put the link on the comment section so you can go into this link with me
Sure.
here. Uh, and the OpenHand is open source, so you can clone the code and run the agent,
Yep.
run OpenHand in your local.
Mm-hmm.
So to compare with another AI model, so we can see here we have the leaderboard for other model, and OpenHand has on the rank on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the rank 6 on top 6 on the verify success, so with 500 instant uh, uh, and with the full test with 2000 instant, OpenHand rank in top 2. So that's quite good because OpenHand only use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet to solve 29 over 29% of the 2000 instant and
Mm-hmm.
rank on top 2. And you can see in multi-model, OpenHand still got in the high rank with the rank 3
Mm-hmm.
with Cloud Sonnet 4 and with Cloud 3.7 Sonnet it got rank 5, rank 5th. So OpenHand got a high rank in the leaderboards of software engineering benchmark. So
Sure.
yeah, it's quite strong. So it's interesting because OpenHand is open source project, so everyone can contribute to it, and uh, yeah, it can beat the system, the AI of big company like uh, another company, and
Mm-hmm.
still rank on the high in reward.
Yep.
So
So Henry, it's a new way of checking like the codes, right? For open hands,
checking the
isn't
code.
it? Like, is it for checking the codes, like the errors and stuffs, right? Or not
So
really?
OpenHand is for you is like as a developer for assistant. So it's kind
Sure.
like it will be like a cloud will
Mm-hmm.
serve argument. So
Mm-hmm.
we mentioned a lot of AI coding agent. OpenHand is one kind of them, so they can help us to coding.
Yep.
Uh, but it can be also used in different use case. Like
Mm-hmm.
you can use OpenHand to generate a report for you. Uh,
Mm.
yeah, and I think one of the best thing I like about OpenHand is it had a lot of model and is can run on the local, so
Mm.
you don't need to pay subscription fee to use OpenHand.
Mm-hmm.
You should need API key and you set up on the local, and with some model it's still free. You can host your own LLM model, like language model, on the local, and it could be free, 100% free for you.
Sure.
Uh, yeah, so yeah, two way to you can see the documentation of OpenHand here. So there are two way to use OpenHand. So the easiest way to get started with OpenHand is the OpenHand Cloud, and is give us $20 free credit for new user. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Yeah, here. So easy way to get started with OpenHand is OpenHand Cloud. And
Mm-hmm.
to get started with OpenHand Cloud, we go to this link. And otherwise, we can run on their own. So with the run on their own, you will download the OpenHand on the local and use our own LLM, or you can use our API key.
Yep.
So this here is cloud version. When you click on cloud version, it will redirect you to the app.ohan.dev. Uh, let's wait a little bit. Internet connection. I will put the link of the OpenHand Cloud on the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's load. Oh no, still loading. OpenHand. Yes, it's loading. Finally, it's load. So I log it in. You can log it in with your GitHub account, and when you log it in, it will you can see all the repository, and you can add the repository into the OpenHand, or you can start from scratch and create a new project. So you can work on the current project on GitHub, or you can start from scratch and create a uh, new project here. So you can click on new repository, and it will create a new conversation, and we can start from that. So loading. In the meantime, laptop open. Yeah, internet connection is not quite good tonight.
That's fine.
Yeah,
So briefly, like, what does OpenHand helps in coding so far, like from your perspective, Henry?
yeah, I think it can help us in all kind of work of coding. So it can
Sure.
help you to code front end. It can
Yeah.
help you to code back end, and you can fix bug, and you can refactor the code. So
So like it's
you can think
lesson.
it's like
Sure.
AI, but it can help us on all the thing of the coding.
Yep.
Uh, that's great. Yeah, it's still lagging.
Yep.
Why is
And like,
lagging?
what is OpenHand most suitable for? Is it for personal business or for learning so far, like from your using usage or something?
Yeah, I think OpenHand can do a lot of things. So
Sure.
with vibe coding, you can do some MVP version. You
Mm-hmm.
can do some prototype, or you can do some landing page for the project. So I think that will be the strongest of the open hand.
I see.
Uh, yeah, you can see is the UI of open hand. You can see
Yep,
in here we
I see
have
it.
a chat. We have a chat to prompting. It has some suggestion like increase chat coverage.
Yep.
It has clean dependency, fixed README,
Mm.
and we can connect to the repository to start coding and push code on GitHub.
Mm.
After you coding, you can boost on the GitHub and
I see.
start deploying.
Yep.
And now I will try something. Um, I will try to create a landing page. So I'm thinking I want to create. Uh, I will keep the prompt very simple.
So,
Uh, so just like normal language we talk every day. So I want to
oh
create a
really?
landing,
Oh,
yeah, a
so I just
landing
like,
page.
mm-hmm.
Uh, we close the mid autumn, so it's to share mid autumn to the mid autumn cake something.
So you can like you don't have
Uh,
to write in codes, right, Henry, for this thing.
yeah, you don't need to, you should need to prompting to the AI, and it can help you to create
Yeah,
coding and
I just tried out like before our live, and then I just get confused a bit about the thing. I thought it was like ChatGPT and stuff.
yeah, it just is like it's like codec of ChatGPT.
Oh really?
So with the,
Oh.
so is after I create this one, if
Yeah,
you
what are
create a
these, Henry, like so far?
so
The number
this
of stuffs.
they will have a micro agent to planning. So
Mm.
it create a planning for another micro agent to work.
Yep.
So the first micro agent will create a plan. So it create 8 items. First, set up project, then design
Mm-hmm.
a session, then create a product showcase
Mm-hmm.
session, then add feature
Yep.
benefit, implement test the emotional review session. Yeah. So
Sure.
after the first micro agent create a plan, the another micro agent will go and execute all the item one by one. So it's on the first task to set up the road structure and basic HTML CSS framework. And yeah, now it's edit HTML. We can
Mm-hmm.
see here, we can see a lot of icon here. First of the chain.
Mm-hmm.
So chain, you
Mm-hmm.
can see the chain of the code. You can see the different, and you can approve it or not. So you can monitor the code, and also you can see the code base. You can see the terminal. You can see Jupyter apps application or browser. So with the browser, we can see the preview of our website. And you can see here,
Sure.
AI agent is start coding. So it finished coding the HTML file. It's
Wow.
basic. So I don't specify what language I want to use. So it's use the
Mm-hmm.
basic. So now
Yep.
currently it's use a basic HTML CSS file, but we can refactor it to we can specify the framework we want to build. Like I want to build in
Mm.
React.js or TypeScript or Vue.js. So you just need to tell it. So why waiting for this agent to do? We will go to the setting to see. Yeah, API key integration language. So as you can see here, yeah, it's your Cloud Sonnet 4 at the default, so it's quite strong. Uh,
Sure.
rec- Recently, Cloud it released Cloud Sonnet 4.5, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, I think Cloud Sonnet 4 is still strong. It's just not strong as Cloud Sonnet 4.5. Let's come back. Now it finished 7 tasks let's see. Is create a HTML CSS file. Is create a responsive design for mobile optimization, and
Sure.
you can see the code here. And now it create a server, and it is a application, and I think it's close to finish. We can see it's create 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 file here. It index.html, style CSS, script.js, server log, and readme. Okay. Read the server is running. Server log. And provide get create and now file for that. So currently, we are waiting for the AI to finish our landing page.
Okay.
Now
We
it's
are
create a good.
in. Sure.
Yeah, we have a spray a lot
So
of.
where are you now, Henry? Like so far?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, it's finished create a landing page, and now we will
Mm,
see the UI. If you like it.
sure.
Yeah,
Maybe
we
just
need
try it
to.
out.
Yeah, okay.
The
It has the
website.
link. It has the link for our website here, so it deployed for
Mm,
us.
that's great.
We
So
can
fast,
go to
actually.
this link.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
So we.
after it's
Mhm.
finished coding is also deployed for us, and we can use that link to send to our customer.
Wow. So we can just like make a website within just few minutes, right? Using like open
Yeah,
hands. Wow.
yeah.
That's
If
amazing.
it's if it's simple enough, you can like one shot with one prompt. And yeah, this is
Wow.
yeah. All right,
Oh,
we have some
oh
animation
my
here when you
gosh.
hover the button. So our premium mooncake
It's
collection.
really a website.
Yeah, purple title. Yeah, and why choose mooncake
Actually,
customer
my
say?
grandma bake cake, so I think I will use this to
Yeah,
create a website for my grandma store.
and it also had the form to order.
Wow.
Yeah, it's quite fast. So we just like to say we just need 5 minutes to get our landing page.
Like just
Uh,
5 minutes to create a website. That's
yeah, it's
very
so fast.
amazing. Yeah.
And come back with the open hand. Let's see. It's a cloud version, and come back to the start here. So it's a cloud version of open hand, and it's give
Mm,
us like $20 free credit.
yeah. Only
So
20
we
bucks.
can,
Yeah.
yeah, and we can do a lot of we can do a lot of things with $20.
Wow.
I think
That's really cool.
with a simple landing page like we just create, it's just like cost 0.1 $0.2, so we can create a
Sure.
lot of things.
Yeah. Really
And
a lot of things. Yeah.
because OpenHand is open source project, so you can run the OpenHand on the local system,
Mm,
and you can use API key to use a model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud,
mm,
or
sure.
you can download your own LLM model, and uh, and it will be free. So we can see here is the guide how to set up the OpenHand in your computer.
Mm-hmm.
I use a Mac OS, so it will use you have to have Docker support, or you have to download Docker. So yeah, this one. And after you download Docker, you will install it using. You have two options. Option one is using the CLI launcher with UV, and option two is using Docker directly. So mm, I will install it already. So I will open a local server merchant. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
CD clear. Yeah. Let me zoom in a little bit. Clear. Oh, zoom.
Are
Need
we
to zoom
still on
in.
open hands, Henry?
Yes. But now OpenHand have two versions. You can see my
Sure.
screen, right?
Yeah, yeah, I can see your
So
screen.
so OpenHand has two versions. One is the cloud version. So with cloud
Sure.
version you have $20 free, but after that you have to pay. And one is a local version. So you need to download it, and then you can use
Ah,
it for free.
sure.
Um,
So this one is like a
so
free version, right?
yeah. So to install OpenHand, you need
Mm-hmm.
to you have two options. So option
Yep.
one is using the CUI launcher, and option two
Mm,
is using Docker. So to
sure.
using I'll be using the
So
Docker directly. So
yeah.
you copy
So
this
which
one.
one is easier for like the newcomers and stuffs between
I
these
think
two options?
I think the option will be faster. So I try to
Yeah,
I try. So with it one, you pip install OpenHand AI, and you can running using this command OpenHand serve. And
sure. So listen, guys, use option one.
yeah, so I think it will be like it kind of the same. It or boolean the Docker application.
Yeah.
Pulling from errors from pot are not yeah, I'm using this bot already.
Mm,
Because I'm running it already.
yep.
I know this one. So
Sure.
I have to close the current localhost 3000. Yes, I want to close. Let me close my localhost 3000. So I'm using the bot 3000. I have to close before I install.
Oh, Henry, I'll add you. Hello, Henry. Okay, you just
So
lost.
yeah, so I'm telling that I'm using the bot 3000. So I had to queue it. Let's go at bit to bit. So I can queue it now. Copy. This one. Okay. And close this one.
Hello from YouTube. So if you have some questions, please drop to us and then I'll
Now
move. I'll give to Henry.
I will run with this one again. And it's will pull the Docker of the open hand, and it will start on the port localhost
Yeah.
3000.
Mm-hmm.
So previously I had some existing code run on port 3000, so I have to close it first. And yeah, it's gonna run now. So you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of simple. After you install it, you just need to just step on. You just need to
Sure.
install OpenHand AI, and you run OpenHand serve to use the OpenHand.
Mm-hmm.
After you running OpenHand serve, it will pull the Docker image and can start the OpenHand in a local at localhost 3000.
Sure.
Mhm.
Oh, there's lots of codes in our page, Henry, isn't it?
So I need to. Oh, actually, I just clean. Okay, I will clear it again. I just need restart. Okay, so I just close my Docker. Let's run it again. What's that? Okay. Yeah, open Docker. Yeah, so you have to open the Docker first, and then run the open and serve. Where is my terminal? New window,
Yeah.
and then run open serve, open hand serve. Yes. Mhm. And then after run open and serve, you can go to our website. I can move on here. Yeah, it will be better. Go to 3000. And you can see we have the same UI as the cloud version, but is host on my computer, so it's free and you can use as much as you want. You can see
Mm.
here on the link is a localhost 3000. So you can compare with the uh, cloud version. We have cloud version here. Don't check it line. The app dot ohan dot dev. So it just have the same UI, the same function as the local version. So with the local version, you can see we have yeah, we have I think it's the same thing. So it also have a conversation. It have where we prompting and create a AI agent. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, but I think it's one thing different. That's with the open hand cloud version.
Sure.
When you go to the LLM, LLM standing for large language model. So
Mm-hmm.
with the free version, which I'm currently a free version, I can only use the Cloud Sonnet 4.
Oh,
But
and
with yeah, you
what what's
uh,
what's the difference between the free version and the paid version
yeah.
for like
So
open?
with the Pro version, you can choose the model on the Cloud version.
Oh,
But
so
if
in which
you
one would it help? Yeah.
but if you use a local version, you can choose any large language model you want. So it have a lot
Mm,
large language model, and you can choose
sure.
on it. You
So
can
that
have
it will be like a variety of things to choose.
yes, correct. Let me see. We can see here. You can have a lot of language model you can use. We have open
Mm,
hands.
yep. Open
You have
hands.
we have Atorobic. Atorobic is Cloud Sonnet 4. You can also
Mm,
use 4.5 Cloud Sonnet here. It's the latest version. It's very
mm,
strong. It's
mm-hmm.
read on 29/9, so it will be three day, 3 day.
Yep.
It's just released 3 day, and you need to config the API key, and yeah, and you can use now. Also, we have OpenAI with Codex, so you have all four. I think you have like latest model of OpenAI here. We can also use Codex here and Mature. Hacking Fay, DeepSeek, 11 Love. Oh, I got Gwen. We have also with Gwen here. Gwen
Mm.
is strong one. We have Replicate and Replicate is yeah, it's a V0. Oh,
So
I
lots
think
of
I think
choices.
it's I think it is diverse, very diversified. You can like
Mm-hmm.
choose a lot of model on
A
when
lot
you
of
use the
model.
local version. When you use
Yep.
the local version, and also you can use some. I think there is some Olama. So with Olama, you can like download some model and you host on your computer, and you can choose home in here, and you don't need to configure the API key. So it will be completely free for you. But tonight we will try something different. Like, we have OpenAI here. OpenAI,
Mm-hmm.
Victoria. Yeah, open hand. You can also choose open hand. So with if you choose open hand and select model, CloudNet 4, you can go to this one and click on the API key. So I cannot show you here, but when you click API key, you will get the API to put into the local version, and it will have
Mm,
the same as the cloud version. And you can
mm,
see here it have the search API key stability. So what is this? So when you coding, uh, sometimes the AI want to get information from the internet, like
sure.
it want to gather some information of the documentation of the blockchain. Like
Mm-hmm.
I want to create a private ERC20 token, but they don't know about the private ERC20 token, so it needs to access the internet. So that's why we need to config the search API key, so the agent can like go to internet, gather information about private ERC20 token and start coding. So it's important, and we have already have that on the cloud version. It configs stability for us, but on the local version, we have to config on our own. We need to go to the stability website and get the API key and put into here. And
Mm,
also we have the MCP. So MCP is standing for Model Context Protocol. So we talk a lot about MCP in recent live stream. So we have the symmetry. We have the Model Context Protocol. Model Context Protocol is helps the AI agent can interact with something. So in that case, we have the Koti MCP. So Koti MCP server will have the AI agent had ability to interact with the Koti blockchain. It's it can create account on Koti. It can decrypt value. It can encrypt value. It can create a private AC20 token, deploy one, grab private, send token, mint token. It can also deploy private ERC 721 token. So
mm-hmm.
like a lot of things. So mm, you can imagine that with ChatGPT you can like tell ChatGPT like I want to create a token on Koti blockchain. So it cannot do that. But
Yeah.
if you connect the MCP with the ChatGPT, it's like the tool for the ChatGPT. So with that tool, ChatGPT now can have the ability to uh, to interact with the Koti blockchain and can help you in handle things. So
Mm,
uh, now I will guide you how to config the MCP for OpenHand, because it's kind of it's not hard, but it will be a little bit different than another AI agent we do previously. So
mm-hmm.
like in a cloud or in Cursor, so we should need to put that JSON file. So we have the JSON file config for MCP. We copy it and we put onto MCP. Like this, I will give you a sample graph. Yeah, I will show graph. He was on the live stream previously and got addicted to it. We have the graph here. So with the graph, it's how I can put that into the screen. Yeah, with the graph, you can and it's a similar with cloud and cursor. You can go to let me see MCP server. You can see here MCP server, and you click on manage MCP server. You click on add, and you just put the JSON file here. So it's very easy. You and
Mm-hmm.
click on save, and it will be connect to the MCP server of the Koti blockchain.
Ah.
Yeah. So let's say we save it, and now we can do something like so it's connecting,
Mm-hmm.
and now you can ask it to help me create an account in Koti blockchain. Something like that. Blockchain. Oh, I enter.
Where are we now, Henry? So far?
Yeah, so I'm guiding you how to configure model context protocol, the MCP
Yeah.
to OpenHand. but I
Mm-hmm.
want to compare it to another AI coding editor.
I
So
see. Which program?
currently I'm guide you to use with the WARF. So with WARF.dev, you just need to put on the JSON file, and it will configure the code MCP. You can see here it's connected successfully, and
Yeah.
it will listing all the tool the code MCP can do, like create account, generate ES key, deploy private
Mm-hmm.
ESC contract, etc. And
Mm-hmm.
after you configure it, you can like talk to the AI agent to. Uh, I think I have to open a new conversation. Create new music and here we have me create an account using copy MCP and enter. I want to specify Cisco conversation. Yeah, I think I want to use call 1.5. I need to why why thinking so long? Yeah, we config it correctly. Yeah, let's try again. I think we need to create a new conversation. We create an account and use voice. Yes. Yeah, you can see after it's thinking, yeah, it asks us to use MCP to create account, and we approve it,
Mm-hmm.
and it will create a new Koti account for us. So we have the account thread and private key here.
Mm.
So it's similar to install the MCP on another AI coding editor, which I need to put the listen file. But with let me close it with the open hand. Yeah, it have the ability to config MCP2, but we have to config it through SSE, SSO, and STTP at HTTP. So we have three type of MCP we can config. But unfortunately, we don't have the ability to just copy and paste the JSON file. So uh, to I think I try these two option. I think HTTP will be the easy one. So to configure the MCP on OpenHand, you go to the go to MCP server, and you config your private key, the MCP AES key. So let me explain a little bit about the concept. If you don't familiar with Koti blockchain. So with Koti blockchain, when you create an account, you have the public key and the private key. So it's simple like another blockchain.
Yeah.
But with the Koti blockchain, we have the private layer, so it requires a ES key to decrypt and encrypt data. So you need to fund the public key, fund this address some Koti token, and after that you will generate a ES key. So it will the key to decrypt and encrypt the value on the Koti blockchain. So after you get the AES key, you put it into the Koti MCP server, the Koti MCP AES key for encrypting value. You put the MCP private key and you update the configuration. And after that, you will have the link, and you copy that link.
Mm-hmm.
Then you copy that link, and you go to the HTTP. You paste that link here, and you add server. So I do it already. So after you config, yeah, so you finish config MCP on the open hand.
Wow.
And then you can do something like Yeah, I will do the same thing I do in the web. So have me create a new Koti account, Koti blockchain account, and yeah, enter. So it will calling the MCB to create account, and we have to wait a little bit. So we can't interact with blockchain, right? So we have to wait. Yeah. Hmm. Why it takes so long? Internet connection is not quite good tonight. Let me try it again. Create a new Qt. So it run. I think it run correctly. We call the right tool. So based on our context, it knows that we need to calling the MCP to Qt MCP create account. Yeah, it created successfully. So I think it is about the internet connection. It's not about the Qt MCP2. We can see
Mm-hmm.
here we have a new Qt account created successfully with the address and the private key. The thread and the private key. Okay. And now I will ask it to generate a ES key. So I hope it have enough token, but I think it's not enough token. Generate a ES key. So after we create an account, we ask it to. So I have different account. So they will create a new Qt account and generate an ES key. Mm-hmm. Listen, sometimes the server is not quite good. Have me some looking. But current info account. So I don't want it to create a new account. I just need to uh, generate ASCII of the current default account instead of create a new account. It's cross risk. Yeah, the server is not quite stable at the moment. Let's do it again. Now
Oh,
it's called list account.
there's a bit error, is it?
Sorry.
Is it an error or something recently?
No, it's I just polish and create and code another
Oh, I
tool.
see.
So I don't want it to create a new account again. I just want to generate
Continue,
ASCII
right?
of the current. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So then we can see the result later on.
I think I will start a new conversation. It will
Yeah.
be less lacking.
Mm-hmm.
Deploy nesting listing current default account. What is current default account? For account. Yeah. So let's see. We can explore here. Explore community. What is current default account? Proof. Yeah, it's on. Oh, it's so lucky. Where's the agent performance? Previously, I create a new account, but I forgot to copy the private key. I will
Sure.
configure it again. Wait a
So
little bit.
it's
So
what's the
so I
problem again? Okay,
so I have to configure a private key on the link and try again. So wait a little bit.
I
Uh,
see.
so sorry because I cannot show my private key here. So I will
Sure,
move
we
the
can
screen.
close.
No, I will move screen on another
Okay,
screen of me and configure the
sure.
private key.
No worries. So guys, please wait.
Configuration.
Henry a bit. He's fixing stuff right now.
Update configuration. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah,
Is it like a
exploration.
technical problem or is it like just a crack or something?
So I think it's internet connection. What is my? I want to make it fast. Default
A moment,
comes.
guys, a moment. We are on the way.
Yes, let's try again. Yeah, okay. I think it's the right one. Let me
Yeah,
find
okay,
it.
great. Great to hear.
You see, and I want to check balance. I think we have some capability here. We have to sign message, verify, get private. Yeah, we will try the deploy one. So let's try to first. I want to have some token. So to do that, you can go to to the Discord channel and yeah, the internet is not good tonight. We have to waiting a lot. A
That's fine,
second
that's
more.
fine. We can wait.
Explore capability.
A moment, guys. We're on the way.
Simply
So Henry, people just cheering on us. Some said, keep up the good works. Claudia is
yeah. Thank you.
great. Great job, guys. Thank you everyone for
Yeah.
the
We can see. We can
compliments.
see the UI now.
Oh,
So yeah, with this Discord channel, we you can process some token for work. Let me process one for us. Let me testnet and yeah, this one. And we wait. Yeah, it's processed 10 Koti. So now we have token to do thing. Now I will copy character. How to say private key, copy it, and update configuration. Define immutable is okay. I think it's good now. We can see on LCV server. Yeah, it's good. Now create a new conversation, and we'll try to deploy a token. So currently, I just process some token to have enough token to go to deploy.
mm-hmm.
We want to deploy the private ESC20 token. Quality test simple will be a test and decimal will be 3. Yeah, something like that. And it will call the deploy ERC private ERC20 contract calling the tool with the argument. It is get from our prompting. So we get three parameter: the name, the symbol, and the decimal. And I will find it here. That's net. Output is scan. Now we're waiting for the deploy contract. So if it going right, we will have the new private ERC20 token, and we interact with the open hand using MCP to interact with the Koti blockchain. Great, into it. Yeah, it called correctly. So we have yeah, it's fairly deploy in sufficient fund. Yeah, we have don't have enough fund. Said we have don't have enough token. Let's see why I don't have enough token. I just forgot 10 Koti. Oh, I copied the wrong wallet. Let's check. So it got the error that insufficient fund. So it the error is when you don't have enough Koti for the deploy. So let me check. It's what is my current? What is my current? Yeah. Now I see the problem. I have to transfer it to this address instead. So let me. Yeah, it's my fault. I go to the wrong link. So I copy the wrong link as the Koti MCP server.
Oh,
let, let,
that's
let,
why, right?
yeah, that's why I config the private key, but it's not go to the right wallet. So I know why now, because I go to the wrong link.
Mm-hmm.
Let me replace it a bit.
That's fine.
So I copy again, paste in again. So that happen every time. So you have to figure out what is prevent you to running safe configuration. Yeah, I think it will be right this time. I try again. So now is it want to get the native balance to make sure we have enough token first. Oh no, is it correct? I think if I have now, I will copy send this token. Send it some token. Let's see. One Koti? One Koti will be enough. Two Koti. Send some. So because on the first one we create a token, it had insufficient balance. So when the second time I ask it to deploy as a private ERC20 token, it want to make sure that we have enough token to deploy. So it goes to get native balance first. But we have to wait. So I increase the timeout to 5 minutes. So the longest we have to wait is 5 minutes for one request.
Oh, really?
Because in the internet is not quite good today, so I have to increase the
Sure,
timeout. Yeah,
that's fine.
yeah, it's runtime error. We try to copy this and create a new conversation to make sure it works. It's connecting. So every time you create a new conversation, it will need 1 to 2 minutes to initialize agent.
Sure. So, Henry,
Yeah.
while waiting, like, can we discuss more about like the open hands and stops for the
Sure,
tool?
sure, sure, sure.
Sure. Like, yeah, like if someone had an hour to try this tool for today, like what would you recommend to do? Like within an hour, what can they do for this thing?
So I think within in 1 hour you can try to view a front end first. So you can think something like a landing page and the website. After that, when you're familiar with oh, what is something? When you have finished the front end, you can start working with the back end. So you can try something
Mm,
like after you create a front end, you want to save something on the back end server. You can try some. I think it's based on the use case. Like you want to view a to-do app or some application you want to view it for your own. So you after you finish the front end, the back end, the authentication, and you can start learning about blockchain. You can start writing smart contract using OpenHand, and then you
mm,
try to deploy it, and you can connect it to the front end, to the back end, and you can finish a decentralized app. So,
I see.
uh, but within 1 hour, I think I will recommend doing the front end first,
Sure.
trying some simple stuff like landing page because it will gives you a quick win, and we can start from it.
I see.
Oh, sometimes it's not connected to LCP server.
Oh, okay.
So now it's not connecting LCP server. I need to configure again. Go
Take
to
time, take time.
MCP.
No worries.
The internet connection like is not quite good, so it makes the work is more harder. I will try to add a server like HTTP and include go TFCP MCP2 and API key. Oh, it's not API key. Yeah, then API key, and we can create timeout to 3 minutes as server. It has same, so it's the same as this one. It will not allow me. I will delete it on. Make sure it's not go wrong and try to deploy it. So I will try in the Explore computer here. Right, it failed to connect the server. I think I have to deploy the server again, so it will
Sure.
take a little time.
Yeah.
So it's not about the open hand. It's about my server, go to MCP server. I should deploy,
Okay.
and it's not connect, so I have to deploy it again. Let's wait a little bit on it.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is I try to redeploy our MCP server.
Yeah.
Continue with the GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I think it will be correct. So create, okay, deploying. 2, 1, create. Mhm. I think it will take a little bit. So, do you have any questions for me?
Sure. Actually, just wanna ask you like, what kind, I mean, like, let me see, what kind of repetitive coding tasks like, that we can offload using the open hands from your thoughts?
Um,
Can you hear me, Kenry?
yeah. Can you like ask me again?
Sure, sure,
I
sure.
should.
No worries. Like, what kind of repetitive coding task that we might
Uh,
can offload from using the open hands website and stuffs?
repetitive on yeah, I don't think it will be repetitive, but maybe the testing. You can use AI agent to have you on testing the code you wrote.
I see.
So every time you're writing, after you're writing the code, you can ask the open hand to write the test case for you.
Ah,
So
it helps, right?
yeah, and it can also run the test, and you can make sure that your code is going in the right way.
Sure. Yeah. And uh, in which workflow do OpenHand helps developers? Like, is it writing codes, debugging, or testing the stuff?
I think all of this stuff OpenHand can help you, can help the developer because yeah, as you can see, OpenHand can do a lot of things in it. It's like it's very flexible. So because it's open source project, so you can do a lot of things with it. So
Sure.
you can build your own workflow. You can yeah, I think I can mention about the micro agent on this one
Yep.
because the micro agent it's I think it's a concept like the sub agent of the cloud. So the
Mm-hmm.
micro agent, like you can like assign the agent for the specific task. You have the AI agent just for testing. You have
Yep.
an AI agent just for front end coding. So you have
Mm-hmm.
can have a lot of agents that can help you uh, to do one aspect of your coding and
Sure.
combine of those micro agent. It can have you like a team of developer.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I
That's why,
build
right?
the server, inspect the server. Actually, yeah, we are going to finish now. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
slow. I just 1 minute deploy.
Sure.
I did so as I said before, I have the problem with the MCP server. So it's not an open
Okay.
hand error. It's on my error. So
Okay.
because it's my deploy server is going down, so I try to deploy
Sure.
it again.
So should we wait or something, Henry, or
Yeah,
like can
wait a little. Okay, it's on air now, so I
yeah,
need to
great.
configure it
Great
again.
job.
Yeah, let me see.
Yep.
Okay, one more minute is
Oh, okay.
working.
So while waiting, like okay,
Yeah, I'm deploying the MCP server again,
sure.
so to make sure it's working correctly.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes the memory is not quite stable. So it
Okay.
got crashed. When it got crashed, so I need to redeploy it again, so you can see it working. This deploy. I think it will take about 4 to 5 minutes for redeploy, and now we go with the 4 minute already. So I think it will be 1 more minute for finish.
Okay. So while waiting, I might add some more.
Yeah,
Sure. As I can see, like the thing in this website is like some typical like AI website like ChatGPT or maybe Gemini. And I would like to ask, like, would you say this tool is more helpful for beginners or also an experienced developers and stuff or not?
yeah. So with a beginner, I recommend using the cloud version, so you don't have to install anything. So you should need to go into the open handling and start coding with it. And with experienced developer, I recommend using the local one, so you can have more flexibility. You can choose your agent, and you can like bring your own workflow on the local version.
No, I see. Sure.
So I'm waiting here.
And also, like while doing the open hand stops, does it provide like explanation along with the fixes or not? Like what should be what we have an error on it or not?
Yeah, so we need to after I finish redeploy the MCP, we will configure the MCP server again and start deploy the private
Sure.
ERC20 token using the MCP, and it will be it. So I think it will cover a most basic concept of open hand, the cloud version, the local version, how you can configure the LLM on local, how you can configure the MCP to interact with the Goti blockchain. And I think you can start from there to building your own decentralized app, or
Mm-hmm.
you know, yeah,
Yep.
this step
No
take a
worries.
lot of time. Yeah, two minutes
Yep.
already. Yeah, we need to wait.
Okay. And also, how does like this kind of AI assisting coding like this change the way of people to learn or maybe write code or not in your thoughts?
So I think it will be similar with the question you asked me before. Uh,
Sure.
so with open hand, it can help us with some like easy tasks. So we just need to focus on some core feature or some architecture. So we will be have the plan for the AI, and it can help us on doing things. So it
Mm,
will be like when you coding a decentralized app, so we can do some hard thing, and
mm,
when it comes to the easy thing, we can let AI help us to do that.
help it. Sure.
Yeah, and
So,
also AI can help us to learn things quickly. So if we go to some work and you ask open hand and is going through the internet and crawl all the answer, and it
mm-hmm.
can help us to research on the book more quickly, and also it can help us to fixing it. uh, really take a lot of time. Let me connect to this one.
Yep.
Yeah, optional thing, connect. Mm. So I'm waiting for the MCP server to deploy.
Yeah.
Yeah, any other question you want to ask in?
Sure.
Mhm.
Like, let me think of it right now. So
So.
sure, sure. Asking about actually, I'm from the creative side. Like,
Mhm.
if I have would like to create some games on NFTs, is it
Mhm.
uh is it usable for it or not?
Yeah, you can do the game, but you have to specify the tool you want to use. So I recommend you
Sure.
go with the phaser. The phaser will be good. Will be good
Yeah,
for beginner. Ah, yeah, we finally we deploy it. Oh, now I will config. It take a lot of time.
that's
Now I will
fine.
config. I will config the NCB server. Private key. Confirm. Copy it. Save it. Generate. I think it could be the same link, but let me paste it to make sure. Server as HTTP. Yeah, it's the same. Now such. I just deploy the MCP server. I think it will be working this time. Deploy
Mm,
private ERC20 token name. Let's try a nice name. Test token. It's a single v-test and decimal will be 3. Yeah.
Maybe while waiting, some more.
No, it's still using. It's not
Oh,
using the MCP server.
okay,
Oh,
sure.
let's see. I think I need to delete
Again.
it
Okay.
and config again. Make sure
Oh,
it work. Make sure it work.
sure. No
Uh,
worries.
Is it work as that? Or I should config with STO. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, wait. Maybe I have to config with STO. And give it the name. Go to MCP. MCP MPH. And I config some agreement. Why it have a lot of run? Yeah, the only pro key. Don't worry, I will delete it after we finish the live stream. As server, yeah, that look good. New conversation. Now we deploy convert TRC20 name test token 0 retest and decimal will be 3. So it's initializing the agent.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully it will work this time. So
Yeah,
previously I
hopefully.
don't know, but the MCP is not connected, so it's not called the MCP. So
Mm.
I just reinstall the MCP. Now it's thinking. No, it's still not using the MCP. Let me like go with very specific. Create a new account. Error posting to the endpoint initially. Last. So I have some problem with the MCP server. Quite takes so much time. I will try on Symmetry to make sure the MCP server is working. So we have connection error here. We have the connection error on the MCP. That's why we not connect it on open hand. Symmetry. Go to Davi Power. This one. I try style and sign again to make sure it's not because of session. I will try another account. Right. Optional field. We have private key. We have ASCII setting connect. Yeah, still the same. Error posting to endpoint. It's I think no. So we cannot connect with the server. Oh, yeah, we cannot connect with the MCP server. So it's not the open hand. It's not the open hand thing.
You said
Ah,
many times.
So we make a lot. We waste a lot of time, but it's not the open hand fault. It's our fault. So the MCP server is not working. So
Mhm.
that's why it's not working. So let's try another one. So I will try the final one, which give it the task to build our own private ERC20 project. So I want to build having to write a private ERC20 contract on Cultivar. Now we don't use MCP server. We will create on our own, and I will give it some link. Like Cultivar start call console. And I will give it some link from Coty blockchain so it can know about the Coty. I will give it data, basic smart contract, sending is good, contract library, token. I will give it this link. Make sure it know how to write for the ESG20 contract. And also I will give it the network statnet so we can now on and then enter. Mhm. Now I can do it. As you can see, it's called the ability to learn from the depths of the code to
Mhm.
write smart contract.
Okay. So we are waiting, right, Henry?
Yes, currently the open hand is go into this link and to
Sure.
learn how to write smart contract and it's learning. It's still waiting. Ah, yeah, now it's learn from.
It appears
You
right.
can see here, the tabulary will go to the goti.io documentation. It
Mhm.
gets all the content and give it to the open hand. And now is search the Qt contract library, see library MC call to learn about the contract library and VC call private data.
Sure, Henry, while waiting, I'm gonna ask you some more.
Yeah, go
Like
ahead.
what kind of projects do you think uh people benefit most from using this prototyping?
Prototyping is uh, when you're prototyping, you will be not will not get an either working product, but it's not ready to production. but it can help you to get the feedback from user. So
Mhm.
let's say if you are indie hacker or you are solo entrepreneur, you can create a prototype to demonstrate your idea, go and get the feedback from user, and from that you can know you can get the product market fit, and then you try to create a MVP version and get and after that you can get the production version of the of the product. So I think the prototype will be good for validating idea, and after that you need to make the product is more mature and ready to production.
Sure.
It learned a lot. It code a lot of link.
Yeah. So you need to check it out, right?
No, I think it will take a lot of time for us. So only
Okay.
open hand is go for all the link. It can know it can search about the code to know to have the knowledge about code blockchain.
Mm. And like, what kind of real projects would you try first with open hands? Like, which one might suitable for the program itself? Yeah.
So sorry, can you ask again?
Like, what kind of real world projects would you like to try first with open hands?
From my side, I prefer the side projects, some side projects that can benefit me. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe some project that I can use to increase my productivity. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
recently I'm doing something that can help my girlfriend to learning English. So
Mm.
it will be the flashcards. So it help you to create a flashcards and learn English. I think it will be
Sure.
kind of you can get something some problem you want to solve from your daily life, and then you
Mm-hmm.
open hand to do it. Oh my God, it's calling again.
Okay. No worries. No
I
worries.
think I think it gets a lot of information from website, but internet connection is it quite low, so it take a lot of time.
Sure.
Yeah, now if finish the first task is research Koti private ERC20 token. Is for finish the first item.
How many steps next, Henry, for this from this?
It has 5 steps. Task list of an item. Now it set up the version. It has
Do you think we
I
can like finish the 5 steps by today or not?
Yeah, I think this will be take time because it now it just set up the project.
Okay, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can go into another live stream and finish this.
It's up to you. If you wanna continue steps, we can still if you would like to.
Yeah, I think we can go with another live stream.
Okay.
It take a lot of time today. Oh,
Uh,
let's see.
yeah.
Let's see. All right.
Let's see. Just last chance or
Uh,
something.
last try, last stand from me. Let's wait. I should deploy the MCP server again. Oh, sorry. I think I hear some music.
Yeah. Open some music so chill down stuff.
No, I just redeploy the private the MCP version again. So hopefully it works this time. If not, we will go to the another live stream and finish it.
Sure.
Yeah, that's me. No, it's still from. Yeah, I will check the MCP server and fixing it before the next live stream. Oh, now it's go to step 3. I think it's good. So I just go to MCP server and try to deploy again, but it still fail as MCP server. I think it will be today, and I will fixing the MCP server. So for the next lecture, we can try it again. So I think it will be tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we have
So
tomorrow
tomorrow,
as well.
yeah, I think will be tomorrow. I will try the MCP and make sure it will working this time.
Yep, no worries, Henry. So,
Okay.
is it all right?
Yes,
So let
that
me
is from my
close.
side.
Yeah, let me close. You want me to close the session?
Yes, okay.
Sure.
So
Okay,
see you
guys.
tomorrow.
Thank you, Henry, and thank you, everyone, for joining us tonight's session. We've seen how AI tools and also blockchain, especially through open hands, can make smart contract development faster, debugging smoother, and even help us build real-world decentralized application with user-friendly interfaces. And we hope this session gave you not only knowledge but also inspiration to keep experimenting and building with these tools. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow on our Cordy Foundation on YouTube, Telegram, Discord, or X. If you have any thoughts or feedbacks, or feel free to leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. And thank you again for being with us. Until next time, stay
Stay
Cordy.
creative.